wait, I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how to make an easy $750 on Cash App right now today. So if you guys don't want to miss out on completely free money, make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end, while maybe even putting it on 0.5 times speed, because I am gonna be talking fast because I don't want to waste any of your time. Speaking of not wasting any time, let's get right into the method. So the first thing you guys are going to do is that you're gonna want to get on either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you guys are there, what you guys are gonna want to look up is you're gonna want to look up an app named Attapoll, just like that, Attapoll. And then you guys are going to want to go ahead and download it. Attapoll is a super easy survey site that you guys could literally use to make almost $30 an hour. But if you guys want to get some completely free money just for signing up, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the My Profile section. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says enter referral code, and you're going to want to type in this exact referral code. It is going to be JCCGC. Once you guys type that in, you will get a free 50 cents added to your Attapoll balance, which you can then deposit into either a PayPal or a Revolut account, or you could get some entirely free gift cards. I've seen surveys on Attapoll go for $3 for only 10 minutes of your time. That means that if you just grind out some easy surveys, you could easily make over $30 an hour just with Attapoll. Now, the next thing what you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to go to CashApp. If you guys don't have CashApp installed already, this is a great time to do it. And you're also going to want to make sure that you are doing this on a fresh CashApp account. I would recommend just creating a brand new CashApp account. You can do that. CashApp does not care. And then what I'd recommend doing is I would recommend clicking on the top right button right here. I'd recommend scrolling down, and I'd recommend going to where it says enter referral code, which, as you guys can see, if I go to the My Account section, I can scroll down to where it says referral code, and I can go ahead and enter it. And then once I do that, what you guys are going to want to enter is this exact referral code. The code you guys are going to want to enter is going to be TSQQV7H. Just like that, TSQQV7H. Once you guys enter that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to where it says linked banks, and you're going to want to link a debit card on this fresh Cash App account. You do not have to do the ID verification for this method to work. After you guys do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the cash button right here, hit $5, and then pay someone on Cash App $5. You guys could pay me $5. I'll go ahead and refund you. And then once you guys do all of those steps, you will get a free $10 just for signing up to Cash App. As you guys can see, every single one of these people followed those exact steps and made a free $10 just for doing so. For full transparency though, I will also make a free $10, but it will come at literally no cost to you, meaning that you guys get nothing but a benefit for doing this. And then once you guys do that, you can keep creating Cash App accounts and following the exact same method to absolutely cash out. It would take you maybe 5 minutes to do this entire method, meaning that you guys could make $120 in an hour just grinding this out. But with that being said, guys, we have in fact hit the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and click on this video that you can see right here, right now.